Let's take a look at two perspectives on organizational culture. The notion of culture is a metaphor that provides us with certain insights into organizational communication processes. Just as the machine metaphor of organization highlighted issues of efficiency and the organism metaphor highlights growth, so the culture metaphor highlights a particular way of examining organizations. From the cultural perspective, organizations are systems of beliefs, values, and taken for granted norms that guide everyday behavior. The lens of culture enables us to focus on the ways in which people communicatively construct systems of meaning that shape and embody these beliefs and values. Seeing culture as a variable means that we can examine how it varies, like weak to strong or rigid to flexible, and how these variables are associated with each other in terms of valuable organizational outcomes. If it's a variable, culture can, by definition, be manipulated and changed to create outcomes like employee commitment and productivity, which in turn improve company performance and profitability. The assumptions underlining the cultural purist perspective stand in sharp contrast to those of the pragmatist approach. First, rather than viewing culture as one organizational variable among many, purists see culture as a basic, root metaphor for understanding organizations. Second, because an organization is a culture, it follows that organizations exist only insofar as members engage in the various communicative practices that make up the culture of the organization. Third, cultural purists question the idea that organizational cultures can be manipulated to meet the needs and goals of the organization. For a number of reasons, then, cultural purists view the pragmatist approach as problematic.